Maths is a sore topic for many of us, but many relish putting their minds to the test to solve a complex equation. Some of us draw a blank when it comes to mathematical problems while others relish finding the answers. Even if you dreaded maths, puzzles are a good way to sharpen your brain power. A combination of maths and logic are needed to work out a new brain teaser, as shared by the Mirror. Based on apples, bananas and coconuts, the premise is simple enough: solve the final sum. Take a look at the image below, which was shared on X by @quiz_riddles, which has all the information you need. There are 4 sums, 3 of which have already been worked out for you. Your goal is to find out what the answer to a sum is by using information gained from 3 other sums. The brain teaser comes down to algebra, and the use of fruit may make things more helpful if you're a visual learner. But take note, there are a few tricks at play that mean you'll need to pay close attention to the fruits to make sure you're counting them correctly. The first line shows 3 apples, which equal 30 when added together. This one is more straightforward than the rest. The apples are all the same, so they must have the same value. All you need to do is divide 30 by 3 to find out the value of one apple, making the answer 10. Things get trickier for the bananas and coconuts, and the answer may be baffling. Have you solved the final sum yet? If you haven't, here's our warning not to read further as we explain the answer. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages. The solution: the answer is 14. In the second line, 1 apple plus 2 bunches of bananas is 16. So knowing that 1 apple is 10, the 2 banana bunches must equal 6, making each bunch worth 3. However, things get a little more difficult in the third sum. 1 banana bunch minus 1 whole coconut appears to equal 2, meaning that a whole coconut must be worth 1, right? If that's the case, then the answer to the final problem, half a coconut, 1 apple, and a bunch of bananas, should be 13. 5, but that's not quite right. Take a second look at the bunch of bananas in the second sum. You'll see it's made up of 3 bananas, but there are 4 bananas in the third sum. With a bunch of 3 bananas being equal to 3, we can assume each banana is worth 1, meaning the third sum is actually asking for equals 2. This makes the whole coconut equal to 2. Finally, we can then work out that half a coconut is equal to 1, so the full sum at the bottom of the image is simply 1 plus 10 plus 13 equals, making the answer 14.